So, in my collection of Thomas the Tank Engines, I believe I have a Thomas which is a factory error. So, this is what a normal Thomas face looks like. And also this one too. And so do the Thomases from 30 years ago. All have a normal face. And so do the 2010s. Well, I want to show you a little fun fact. Look at this Thomas. Notice something? His eyes are wonky. That's right. This Thomas has a factory error. Someone obviously not put on the eyes like properly. I completely forgot about this Thomas. And it was up in the attic for years. And I just wanted to show you it because it's quite funny. And also, the other reason why this Thomas no longer has a black roof, it's because the paint started to fall off. And I'm not touching that roof because it may happen to that one. Yeah, that's very funny that. And anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe.